In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design luxury gold logo in Canva. We'll start simple and finish with a rich metallic look that feels premium and polished. Begin by opening a logo template in Canva. Templates are a great starting point because they're sized correctly and provide a clean canvas with guides already in place. Once you're in, add a text box and type any word you want to turn into your logo. This could be a brand name, initials, or a short monogram. Next, change the font to match a luxury vibe. Serif fonts or elegant display fonts often convey sophistication, while modern sans serifs can look sleek and high-end. Try a few options and trust your eye. Then resize the text so it commands attention without crowding the canvas and position it in the center. Use the smart alignment guides to snap it perfectly into place. Now, let's introduce a subtle design accent. Go to Elements and search for a shape or motif that complements your brand. In this example, a curved line works nicely. Click. See All to view more styles, then add the element you like to your canvas. Reposition and resize it so it frames or balances your text without overpowering it. When your layout looks good, click Share and download the design as a PNG. This gives you a crisp image that will blend with a gold texture. Back in your design, insert the downloaded image and remove the previous editable elements. This step flattens your layout into a single image, which makes blending cleaner. Upload a gold image or background. Think brushed metal, foil, or glitter texture for that luxurious shine. Then go to Apps and search for Blend Image. Open it, select the gold image as your bottom layer, and select your flattened logo as the top layer. Under the top layer options, choose Use selected image for the text so the blend targets your logo. In the Overlay section, select Screen. This blend mode lets the lighter tones of the gold shine through the darker parts of your logo, creating a realistic metallic finish. Click Add to Design to apply the effect. If you see any extra images or layers you no longer need, remove them to keep the design clean. Finally, resize the new design for your intended use. Social profiles, packaging, or website headers, and make sure everything remains centered and crisp. That's it. A refined luxury gold logo created in Canva with a professional sheen and elegant balance.